Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel. I'm NyoNyoLey for short. So for today's video, since some of you requested for me to do cornrow tutorials, but I am going to do it today. I know I'm not like an expert or anything, but then like we learn and practice together. Okay, so I just did this thing to kind of like stretch my hair, and yeah, I'm going to remove it real quick and come back. I don't want it to make it too big. I'm going to divide this into two so that we work on the other half. I know my part is not so good because my tail comb is not here right now. So for cornrowing, look, let's take this first. So first you want to put some hair aside, and it's better to work on smaller sections, but then I'm using a bigger section just because, like, yeah. So basically this is it. You first section a little part of the big part and you divide it into three. So basically this is how it's going, 1 to 3. So this one goes here, 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 and this one goes here. So it's kind of like you're doing a box braid, but then you're adding hair and you're braiding backwards. So now let's add hair. Okay, so when you do the first part, you are going to pinch some of the hair from here, add it to this, and then go like this. Okay, so once you get here, this hair is being held, this hair is hanging out, and you use this hand to pinch another hair, and voila, there you go. Again, this one is hanging, this one is the one going downwards, so you pinch another hair from here, and then you go. So you use your index finger and then your thumb to pick another hair from here, but you can use your other hand to help attach hair so that you don't pick too much. I usually pick a lot. Okay, there you go, like that. There you go. Okay, it's hanging. Then pick another one from here. There you go, it's hanging. Then pick another one from here. Then go. You always use your index number to pick so that it'll be really easy, and then use the other hand to help you. So like that, and then you go. Okay, so like that. And you keep adding bigger sections as you go on. So as you can see, when I started from here, I was adding smaller ones, and I'm sorry my partition is not that cute, but then like you get the basics, right? So you hold, and then you take, you hold, and then you take it. So as you can see, I'm holding this one. I'm going to add another hair onto it, and then go slide to the back. Then I'm going to take another hair from the back, joining it to the one that's already there, and then pick this one from here, and voila, we go. Let me position myself real quick. So the same way, so you keep adding hair while you go. That's it. Okay, and this takes practice, because I remember this is not so perfect. Even I wasn't so perfect at it. I'm not so perfect right now, but then I'm still learning. So it also takes practice, a little bit of practice, to get to like even where I am right now. I'm sure with this video some of you would get to where I'm with no like struggle. So it's just the basics you need to know, and I'm going to do it in the middle because I feel like for the middle you guys can see it better. So we are going to do that right now. Let me do the same moisturizing and hydrating routine that I did. Hydrated my aloe vera from Air Naturals aloe vera hair mist. Then I add my moisture intensive leave-in conditioner from Anjaki's. This is really good. And then I seal in with my darks. So you have your two sections here, right? This to the back prevents you from taking more than, as I said, I am a victim to that. So you just take a little bit, go back, just take a little bit, go back, just take a little bit, go back, go back, just take a little from here, go back, just take a little from here, add it to it. Okay, go back, take a little, go back, this is hanging. Okay, so you hold here, take a little, go back, this is hanging, 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 take a little, go back, hanging, little, 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 back, hanging, back. You see, to get easier as you go back, I hope I'm really recording because I'm using my mind to pick the braids, and I don't know if I'm picking it well. I'm not picking it well because I'm not looking in the mirror right now. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. And if you pick too big at the beginning, you realize that once you're getting to the ending, you don't have any hair to kind of like lead you. But this looks okay. I can't even see it, but I hope it looks good. So that is the second one, and I'm sweating. So you guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video so it increases our exposure, and hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll be doing this one off camera. I'll be back. So basically this is it. This is my hair. I tried to lay my edges a little, but like, oh my god, it would have worked if it had stayed, but this side was just not working with me. But anyways, this is the hair. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you still couldn't understand it or any issues you have, comment in the comment section, and I'll be sure to do another cornrow tutorial, which hopefully I'll make it better than this one. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. I'm kind of pleased with it. I think I could wear this as like just in the house because I'm not going anywhere, and I can just put like a ponytail at the back to wear out or something. I don't know, but like, this is nice, this is cute, this is chill, this is this is good. Okay, this is good. Guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section if you have any suggestions and how you guys will be able to see the video well. So I'll be sure to do another tutorial on cornrows for you guys. Perfect, like it's still perfect, but I can cornrow now. Like that is so amazing. And I did a video where I braided my own hair. It's on my IGTV. I'll be posting here Wednesdays and Saturdays, and if I don't post on Wednesdays, I'll post the video on IGTV on IG. So be sure to follow my Instagram in the description. And yes, have a lovely day and stay blessed. Bye.